Hello, my dear student. Welcome you all to Maths College. I'm going today to start new lesson. What is the lesson is percentage. Before I start the lesson, I remember for you subscribe our YouTube channel Maths College. Okay, today I have to introduce to you what is the percentage. Percentage means the number of 100 part. The number of the value of 100 part. When considered as a fraction, here 1 upon 100, the 1 we can write like this. This symbol is, what is? The percentage. 1 percentage. That means 2 upon 100, what is 2 percentage? That means 2 multiply 1 upon 100. 2 multiply 1 upon 100. 13 upon 100 means 13 percentage. 13 multiply 1 upon 100. Accordingly, this we can identify here 2 for this symbol 1 upon 100. 13 for this symbol what is 1 upon 100. That means, my dear student, this symbol meaning is 1 upon 100. The denominator is 100. The numerator to called we can what is percentage of the value. Okay, that means like this 2 percentage because 100 is denominator, 13 percentage because 100 is denominator. Okay, next we can learn how to write as a percentage the fraction. Yes, we can observe how to write the fractions as a percentage. You have two methods. The method 1 and method 2 also. Both methods you learn from before your previous grade. Fractions write as a percentage. Method 1. We know the fraction we can write as a percentage. The denominator is 100. When the denominator is 100. But here 2 how to write as a 100. We can multiply by 50. Denominator is 100. Accordingly, your equivalent fraction knowledge, we have to multiply 1 also by 50. 50 upon 100. That means if denominator is 100, we can write this numerator as a percentage. Okay, here also 7 upon 50, how to write as a 100? Multiply by 2. 7 also multiply by 2. 7 multiply 2 is 14. 50 multiply by 2 is 100. Now denominator is 100. We can write this fraction as a percentage. The numerator value is 14 percentage. Here 1000 how to write as a 100? Yes, 1000 we can divide by 10. 1000 divided by 10 because accordingly equivalent fraction knowledge, the numerator also divided by 10. You know, when divided by 10, what happened? This decimal point jump left side because the value is decreased. One decimal place jump to left side because 10 has 1 0. This point jump to this place. 17.5 upon 100. Denominator is 100 because 17.5 percentage. This is from method 1. Now I am going to do with method 2. Method 2 is, my dear student, we can write any fraction or number or decimal numbers as a percentage multiplying by 100. How? Multiplying by 100. 3 upon 4. Look at the board very carefully. 3 upon 4 multiply by 100 percentage. Multiplying by 100 percentage. Should be right here symbol. 3 multiply 100 divided by 4. But you know this 104 has common factors. What is the common factor? 4. 4 has 1 times 4. 100 has how many times 4? 25 times. 3 multiply 25 is 75 with this symbol. Answer is 75 percentage. Here 0.051. What is the apply? Multiplying by 100 percentage. 0.051 multiply 100 percentage. This point jump 1 time, 2 time, because 100 has 2 0, 2 time goes to right side, because when multiplying the number value increases. Answer is 5.1 percentage. Next third one, 2/3. 2/3 also accordingly method multiply 100 percentage. Multiply 100 percentage. Here 103 has a common factor because 2 multiply 100 is 200 percentage divided by 3. What is answer? 200 divided by 3. We can divide it by here. 200 to 20. How many 3? 6. 6 3 18. 2 left. Again 20. 20 also 18. Again 2 remain. Here no anyone. Take 0 to 20 again 6. Like this 66.66. Or you can write like this 66.66 percentage. For another answer we can write, my dear, 66 here remain 2 because we can write like this also. What is 66? 2 remain from third. These both answers are correct. Okay, you have two methods. If when denominator is 100, the numerator value is percentage, and also second method is multiplying by 100 percentage. You have to apply, I think, very suitable multiplying by 100 percentage to convert as a percentage of the fraction. Okay, then we can identify how to write the fraction of the percentage. I am consider here 3 examples how to write this percentage as a fraction. You know this symbol meaning is 1 upon 100. That means this 25 percentage we can write 25 upon 100. 25 upon 100. This 25 and 100, what is the common factor? 25 and 100 divisible by 25. To 25, 1 time 25, to 100, 4 time 25, because 1 upon 4 is answer. 1 upon 4 is answer. This 25% as fraction 1/4. Here, second example also like this. Numerator is 125. As a denominator, what is? This symbol meaning is 1 upon 100 because here 100. 125 and 100, this both numerator and denominator has common factor. What is? This both numbers divisible by 25. 125 has how many 25? 5 25. 5 times 25 and 100 has 4. 5 fourth. 5 fourth means, my dear student, here what is improper fraction, because 5 divided by 4, 1 into 4, 4, 1 remains, because answer is 1 remain from 4, because 1 and quarter is answer. Next one, before apply upon 100, this is mixed number. We can convert this mixed number as what is improper fraction. 3 multiply 33 addition 1. 3 multiply 33 is 99. 99 addition 1, 100 upon 3. This symbol meaning is 1 upon 100, because we can write here multiply for this symbol 1 upon 100. Okay, this 100 to this 100 cancel. Here numerator is 1, denominator is 3, 1/3. Okay, today we learn what is the percentage, then what is the symbol of percentage, and also what is the value of symbol of percentage, and also then the fraction, how to write as a percentage, and finally expressing percentage as a fraction. Okay, we can learn further the lesson percentage 11 to grade 8 with next video lessons. So, my dear student, I remember for you, please subscribe our video channel and also share these video lessons with your friends. So, today our lessons over. Have a good future. Goodbye all of you.